Drone footage sweeps over pristine white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters, revealing Zanzibar's breathtaking allure. Imagine yourself walking barefoot on this paradise, the ocean breeze kissing your skin. Zanzibar isn't just gorgeous, it's rich in history, a cultural melting pot that welcomes every traveler. Did you know? Zanzibar is emerging as one of the safest and LGBTQ+ friendly destinations in Africa. Down a cobblestone alley in Stone Town, you'll find hidden gems like local coffee houses brimming with spice-infused brews. Visit Jozani Forest for a glimpse of rare red colobus monkeys or snorkel amidst vibrant coral reefs with marine life that feels almost untouched. The best time to visit? Between June and October, when the weather is utterly idyllic. Wherever your journey takes you, Zanzibar proves that paradise is closer than you think. Pack your bags. Your next destination awaits. Subscribe for more travel inspiration. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below.